welcome back to another food vlog. So guys, we're here at Shawarma Gourmet. It is located here in Central Mall here in Escario. I'm with Chasing James. Hello,
Hi,
Chasing
guys.
James again.
Hello.
And hi Ian. Hiyak sad uy. Saan man pina. So guys, nagpaabot pa nila ni CJ and sila ni Marco and si Aldrin. So ma-meet na ko sila first time today, except CJ kay naka-meet naman ko ni CJ. So yes guys, before you can enter, you need to apply some alcohol and observe social distancing, kuno wear face mask and imong kuan dire customer information and health check. So muna siya ang mga pangkuanan, pang fill upan nimo. CJ.
Grabe, mo yung share peace and love, you know?
Share peace and
Share peace and
love.
Nawala ang kanang kuhan eh. Nawala itong diet karong panahon na si Kaon.
As in yun.
Naku na pagkay balik akong
Uy, na naka-gift for tonight?
Oh, nana.
Ah, okay. Sabi mo, malit pa sila.
Muli sa mo.
Naon din na guys, basta mga Instagram. Mga Instagram. Ito, babe, balik ko na.
So this is a quick tip for all of you guys.
Sige daw.
So you have to consider the lines and also the you have to usag ito. You have to consider your subject. So our subject for today is the logo of Shawarma Gourmet. So you have to place it on your frame on the center because the only element that you can basta.
Naon din na guys. Take it from Aldrin Core.
Another tip later.
Hi, hello. New face. Hi, hello. So, mauna siya. What we are serving you today is what we think is maganahan mo in yung age level. Generation X and millennials, right? Yes.
This is the cheese za'atar.
What's this?
This is chef style, half za'atar, half Lebanese.
That is vegetarian. But you know the difference between vegan and vegetarian, no? I'm sure kabaw good mo, ngaptanon good mo. So this is vegetarian, kay na may labne. Labne is made of cow's milk. And that is chicken. It's a shawarma that we made it flat. We innovated it. And this is za'atar, thyme, with a lot of spices and sesame seeds, and that is, of course, the cheese.
Kung saan pag-set up sa mga Instagrammer, dali.
Wala nagmoist. Uy,
Pizza. Unsa ginto? Unsa ta siya?
Manakish.
Manakish. Manakish.
Bastos.
Uy.
I'm doing COVID.
So ano na siya dahil guys, pag picture sa mga Instagrammer. This is the za'atar.
Okay, samahan niyo siya.
And nga kani kay
Tapan na.
vegetarian sa mga pizza.
Patay bagsak.
Mawala na siya.
Bagsak na sa isa.
Mawala na siya ron. Kaya wata ka iba kabaon sa nila mga ngan ani. Basta mawala na siya. This is the mango and
Strawberry niya. Batong berry, banana.
oo, berry banana. Dira mo model day guys. The newly hired model of Shawarma Gourmet, Ian Mendez.
Cold na?
Let's try it.
Murag
So how do you
na sa
eat
imong
it?
relasyon.
Cold.
Saan pagkain?
Uli ka, ano lang?
Sige daw, Ben. Sa name ani?
Ko din alam.
Ako na lang.
Pero masarap siya.
Mm.
Distinct yung
Gusto
taste.
ni ate? Chicken.
Ito, iba yung taste niya. Ito yung nire-recommend ni
Ne.
Idol CJ.
Gusto niyo the farm? Try na to ilang mango na smoothie. Ano sa gagmay na sa dag ko.
Kilawan niya. So, tawag ka sa ganyan ni Master CJ?
Chicken turbo.
Chicken turbo bells? Ang sa'yo yung tawag ka?
Chicken shawarma.
Shawarma pizza.
Chicken shawarma pizza with fries.
Na-try na nila ako.
No, may master.
Na-try na ako. Wala pa halin ang isa. Ako yung una.
Hindi mo nga ba? Hindi mo nga.
Ito, di ba? Sabi ko sa'yo
Try na yung
masarap.
isa ni siya.
Amen.
Ha? Beef?
Bisa mga pizza.
Guys, galit-galit na kaming lahat.
Okay. It's 12:30 na. Wala breakfast, James.
Nag-breakfast for this. Thank you sa paayuda, CJ.
Thank you, Shawarma Gourmet.
Kaon sa mga Pasko. Pero kanagya sa ninyo. Samok ba niya? Sama sa pakaon di.
Gusto mo.
This is the first time to taste this kind of pizza. Usually I try
Cheesy.
twice, I
Yeah.
like it, but this one is very unique and very tasty.
Yeah, and the cheese also.
It's the similar ingredient with
Yummy.
the wrap.
Try it.
Try ko nga.
Wrap.
Look at the cheese.
This is the authentic Lebanese food.
Yeah, again.
Yeah. Master Aldrin.
What's your personal favorite?
My personal favorite is kani master. Kani knife fries.
Try it a little bit, no?
Kani.
I love that.
Chicken.
That's the smell, like the taste, unique like this.
Authentic Lebanese food in Cebu City.
Mau gini atong kuan ni.
Keyword.
Authentic Lebanese food.
Middle Eastern food craving here in Cebu.
Patay
Wala, oy.
Kung maawanan ni.
Kami siya, tropical.
Awan ani. Kani.
Tropical.
Tropical.
Salad.
Mayonnaise, melon.
Watermelon with feta and lagni.
Huwag ka sa nagana.
San.
So dili jud ko kaunan ni kay okay ba unsa ning unsay ngan?
Berry banana.
Berry banana?
Yes.
So thank you kay this siyang.
This is the salad.
Mari siyang beef.
Oh.
Unsa kita tawag ni siya, miss?
Beef sambose.
Sambos.
Beef. Let's try the beef churbalud, guys.
Ito yung
Kampong murag impanada kanya cheese to mong gikaon karon gitagawan niyo beef.
Beef.
Sambosik. So lahit siya o lahit siya.
Let's try.
Pareha ni. Wow, king sauce. Pero hindi sauce ni.
No. Dahil na nasa store.
tayo
Ano yan, beef?
Beef.
This is like
You try the cheese kanina?
Ang sarap ng dalawa na kain ko doon.
Kami.
sa yogurt sa Lebanon.
Apa yogurt no?
Sa pagkaslog.
Wanna try first?
Nasa line
A little
Yogurt and
bite.
cheese. Yeah, watermelon.
Ano dami siya. Ang taste sa watermelon mga tapis ba yung sago mo sa yogurt.
Guys, let's try their parang
Filipinos like sweet.
Kanina. Masarap ka ba?
Melon.
Hindi na ako mabalik.
Sweet or bitter?
with yogurt na from Lebanon. And kani,
What I like about Shawarma Gourmet is that they have the authentic Lebanese food. Keyword.
manami sa mong first round.
Ito guys, so nagliligpit na ako.
Alam mo yun? Hindi pa pala.
Hindi pa guys.
Hindi pa yun, guys.
Meron pa.
Napay padung na mga grasya gikan sa hitasan charot.
Hanggang bukas.
Buya. TikTok.
TikTokers.
Talker please, sabi.
Guys, ako dali kang Daisy.
Hi.
Oo, kasi
By the way guys, na pa teleserye si Daisy.
Mas kuan ang
Hello, what's up?
Pangan kay Daisy Shet.
ano ka sa pizza pamanda. Sa India kay mas kuan gid na mas
Halang wala akong lagi ang mas
mix pang kuan gid. Hindot kay dili ka tong kuan. Dili ka tong commercial nga oven ba?
Guys,
Mami Ella.
look at the cheese.
How does
Cheese.
Japanese cuisine?
Wow.
Interview.
Wow. See that?
Oh, Japanese mga siya.
Okay,
Si
guys.
Ella, si Oda.
I'm ready.
Akong sugar daddy.
Tawok.
And then,
Kanilang mga main dish na diri guys. So, appetizer ra gito ang pangaon ganin na nya. Busog na kayo mi. Nya kani.
Pan. Platter man siya tawagan ni Ma'am Taz. Ang kan kay beef and lamb. Kebab. Yang kan siya kay bababados.
Mami, hindi naman siya
Kani.
dito. Saan siya dito?
Like, exclusive lang yun siya, sir.
Wala pa yan siya dito.
Wala pa.
Nya ano sa last niya? Tom. Ha? Tom.
Bakit puti? Tom, saan? Chocolate.
and garlic.
Garlic, yan nasa siya yung mga kuan, kamatis. Ano ni?
Middle is pickles, cucumber,
Yeah, kani.
Onion.
onion, and then tomato.
Kaya mo na yan, kebab set good miss.
Kani.
Or kanara.
Kaniyang kebab.
Kung saan man siya?
Kebab, beef and lamb.
Beef and lamb. Niya kaniyang chicken breast.
Parang ang dami masyadong siniserve. Namamblema tuloy ako.
Wala pa yan, uy. Meron pang dadating na iba.
Wala na logo, isibog na.
Oh, grabetan.
Beto mga kagad. Sige, one in each. Kayo sa parehati yan.
This is the YouTuber's
So just feel the moment.
Nagkaon lagi ka na siya.
Yung moment.
Nadi ka o. Nadi ka o na ni.
Hala, Daisy, nasi Jun.
Ano yung name ni CJ?
Roti.
Ha?
Roti.
Roti?
No?
Pita bread.
Oh, yeah.
Pita bread.
Pita bread.
So this is pita bread, guys. And this one?
This is the shawarma bites.
Shawarma.
Shawarma bites.
Ah, shawarma bites.
It comes in a regular one, but we cut it into bites for you to share the chicken.
Oh. So let's try their chicken na shawarma. Good. Oh my god.
And then you have beef.
Look at that.
Ay ka.
Ano siya, guys?
Bayad ko din.
Nice and fries.
It's a garlic paste. It goes very well with the chicken.
It's not a typical shawarma that you taste from a typical shawarma store.
Ay, isa. Chicken
Thank
Chicken
you.
and
Oh my god.
Okay.
Very full.
We can't eat it anymore.
There's still a lot.
So this is a junior set. It's a combination of falafel, beef, and chicken. 3. So if somebody's confused what to eat, he can order the junior
Oh, okay.
set. 3 in 1.
Wow.
Yeah. And all of our wraps comes in that shape. So, but the one I gave you shawarma bites,
Yes.
it's for you to like for pika pika or catering.
So guys, if you want to try authentic
Yeah,
na
girl,
Lebanese
girl.
food,
Yeah.
just come to Shawarma Gourmet. Modern direct ang mga kuan guys, mga food guys. So, manila mga just to give you an idea sa ilang mga price range. Dami na siya guys. Na.
Sarap siya sa umaga.
This is the baklava. Tingnan lang ni James na dili ko na siya sure kung unsa ang yung gender ng baklava. So, na siya
Di ba may
dates,
loko
na siya bird's nest, na siya cashew nuts, and
Plus.
unsa na siya? Basta mauna na siya.
May pang baklava ka na date.
No, sana all.
Sinawag ko kayo siya.
Kani guys,
Dapat
kayo
pinakato ko
ang
ng style.
Lebanese na coffee.
Uy, wala lagi. Okay.
Ako sa British. So after mo kaon sila mga
Ipaubos di siya.
perfect for the
Mamaya baklava.
date.
Ako imagine na makuha ko.
Cheers, cheers, cheers. Cheers.
Makuha cheesecake mo na.
Apple bag. Okay lang, girl. Wala, ayaw, girl. Ayaw, uy. Balutin mo ako. Guys, dili kita mo kaya na kayo. Naka may sobra. Busog na kayo, mi.
Hindi na kaya guys.
Na kaya, meron pa lang ito. Ito, di na kami na po kaya, guys.
Welcome. Sharon
Chicken.
Pasok! Sharon, pasok! Alright, days friends. So, mauna gito ang kaya sa mga tiyan, no? Daghan pa kayo mig leftover, guys. So, balutin na lang gid ni namo, balutin. So, dili naman kaya. So, anyways, I just want to thank Shawarma Gourmet for inviting us here. Lamig gid kay lang food. First time na ako makatry og kanang kaon og mga Lebanese food, and ang akong pinaka-favorite kay katong unsa ganun ni guys?
Sa
busik.
Sa busik. Basta maumag
Cheese
na
ang
siya.
busik and
Oh,
beef
lamig
ang
kayo siya. So, you should try this, guys. They're actually located here in Escario Central Mall. And by the way, they also have delivery. Nasa sila delivery, guys. They have kanang GrabFood. Kaya I will put the number sa description box kaya para kung magana mo magpa-deliver, dili mo ganang magawas. So, contact lang mo sa ilang number and magpa-deliver mo. This is Marco.
Hi everyone.
What's your mong Instagram?
Yeah, you can actually follow me guys on socials, on my Facebook and on Instagram at Cebuano Kini. And if you're also a foodie or someone is looking for a great food here in Cebu, also check out my food account at Cebugan Kini.
So, how's your experience, man?
Well, it was actually new because karon pa ako nakatry ng mga Lebanese food and so far it was good. Yeah, favorite na ako kay Same Ta, the one with the cheese.
Cheesy
Yeah.
Sambuki.
Sabuki. Sakto ba? Sabusi, yes. You should try it out, guys.
Hey, what's up guys? This is Alrincor and this is the art studio. Wala na din, wala na art studio. By the way guys, you can follow me on Instagram and Facebook at Alrincor and also you can check my website at www.alrincor.com. Actually guys, it was so fun eating here. It's because it's my first time to try some Lebanese food like their own version ng shawarma and also my favorite, the katoganina, which is the
Naikodigo.
cheese samgyusek and also the beef samgyusek.
Lami siya, no?
Yeah, super. And by the way guys, if you want to dig in sa gawas or anything you can try na different food na sa to try here in Cebu, you can visit Shawarma Gourmet here at Escario Central Mall. Alright.
Yo homes, subscribe to Daisy and please follow all her social media account and support her to reach 10,000 million subscriber next year.
Ayo, celebration na rin nato guys. Akong 8K subs.
Wow!
Sponsored by Shawarma Gourmet. Wow! Wala balutin mo.
Guys, para sa ekonomiya. Maraming batang nagutom sa Somalia.
OMG! Nan ako sa Idol Vlog Star nga channel. I'm so... Oh my God! You can follow me on my socials. That's I am CJ Estrada on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram. And you can subscribe to my channel. That's CJ Estrada. Let's... Share, peace, and love. Salamat, Shawarma Gourmet. Salamat, Daisy.
So, maro to siya guys. I will end my vlog here. Hope you guys enjoyed this video. If you do, please give a thumbs up and make sure to subscribe to my channel if you haven't already. If you're already subscribed, please hit the notification bell below so that you'll be notified whenever I upload a new video. And also, please make sure to follow my other social media accounts. I have Instagram and Facebook. My Instagram is at I am Daisy and my Facebook page is Daisy. And if you want to join my membership sa YouTube, so just click the join button. Maro to siya guys. Anyways, maro to siya. Bye guys! Always remember that every day is a chance to see the beauty of God's creations and always seize the day. Thank you so much for watching. Bye, these friends!
Haba ng spills!
Guys, take out ta guys. Kaya dili na good kayo ng kaya good. Daghan kasi sir. And kung tiyan, daghan na kayo gusto.
You might be feeling full but not bloated, like not heavy.
Yeah, it's not like we're having a buffet.
Daghan kayo niya. Sa pagani ko guys. Kaya ato lang ni-appeal kay kanang worth ko ano ba ni worth.
Minsan lang to.
Minsan lang.
Kailangan lubos-lubosin na. Kasi hindi namin inubos para may madala kami mami. Hindi namin alam kung kami mag-invite ulit eh.
Oh, ang ganda ng plating ni Jason James. Oh,
I know, guys.
parang ano talaga.
Actually, I serve here. I work for... Diba? Yung may plating namin, guys. Kailangan magtrabaho dito sa Shawarma Gourmet.
Order now! Available at GrabFood.